Hey guys, today we're going to change the engine oil and the engine oil filter and the air filter of a 2006 Chevy Silverado, and we have the input drill, and we have a 15mm Craftsman socket wrench to remove the engine oil plugs, and we have the engine oil remover wrench, and we have a firm force, and we have a Fram Motor Oil SAE 5W30, and we have a Fram drive.
Oh, may isaksak na kaya. Wait ko muna kay Dad. Hold me for this. Climb there, climb. Hold. We'll see how dirt is this. Hold. Okay. How old? Oh. We'll see how dirt is. Oh, okay. It's not that bad.
Show mo ga.
It's not bad. Gamitin natin to sa sunurugin sa tapo. Okay, thank you na. Pwede na kayo durian.
Eh, dulo na.
One that's straight, you have to align with the target and then you have to turn it straight.
Not bad.
I put two hands over here and I put the index finger over here and just point it straight.
What is that? Oil? Daddy?
Oo. Now we're checking the transmission oil level. It's fine.
Okay.
It's in the middle.
You won again! I got four.
Trans hat must be in cross hats. Yeah, it's fine. It's in cross hat.
That is the oil filter that you're going to replace? Daddy? Hold in here. Pakita mo. Hold in. New filter.
Put a little bit inside
Why? Where to put a little bit?
and put in the O-ring to make easily remove after.
So that is the new one, Daddy.
Saan yung imbudo na to? Ito ang tawag na flashing. Put a little bit to flush the old.
It's like you're cleaning. How do you recycle this? Yeah.
To recycle this anymore, but you can use this in another, like lubricant or
You can use as lubricant for what? Lubricant for what?
wala tayo lang. May mga bakal na ano.
Huh?